Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 685, and today's topic is the health benefits of gum tragacanth, and in Indian language it is called gond kataria. This gum is mainly found in Middle East, Iraq, Iran, and in some part of India. And this gum is flat and also it is not round, and it is in the form of flat, 3-inch in size. This gum is having very good cooling effect, and mostly in summer in Middle Eastern countries and in India also they are using as a cooling juice. Just they will mix with water and there will be some thick solution because of its gummy nature, and they will drink. And it is as we know, it is colloidal in water. It can swell water, and the swelling of water makes it colloidal, hydrocolloidal solution with water. And this hydrocolloidal solution forms gel, and that is the main property of most of the gums. And the reason is that the gums, they contain two types of fibers. One is water soluble fiber and other one is water insoluble fiber. So in this gum, the water soluble portion is 30% and 70% is water insoluble portion, and that is responsible of making the gel. And this is a very good laxative because of the formation of gel, and it is purgative, laxative, and it is very good for constipation. Those who are having constipation, it can help a lot. Also it is good antibacterial, antiviral, and also it is good for cough and bronchitis. It is also used in digestive system, and that is when you have some indigestion or some diarrhea, loose motion, it helps a lot. And the reason is that it is forming gel in the stomach, and that can hold lot of microorganisms as usual. Actually all these gums, they have some little difference in their combination of monosaccharides. For example, in this gum, that is gum tragacanth. So gum tragacanth is having the same monosaccharides like glucose, but the one which is insoluble, where the hydroxy groups are methylated, they are in the form of methoxy groups, and that's where they become insoluble. So, and those which are in the form of monosaccharide glucose, where hydroxy groups are not methylated, they are not in the form of methoxy group, then they are soluble. So all these gums, they are all salts, and they are made up of lot of heteropolymers, means different type of monomers are there, and some little differences there in terms of the solubility of some of the fibers in water, and that makes gum to swell and make the gel and make the colloidal solution. So that is the main property, and this property is playing very important role to use it as a medicine, and this gum is widely used in pharmaceutical industries as a binding agent for tablet and as a thickener in the case of syrup and as a emulsifier. So the same properties like other gums, it is used in the industries and food industry, wine industry. Lot of applications are there, and mainly I have already told you that in India and all Middle Eastern countries, the flake of this gum, that is flake type flake, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter pieces, and they will add few flake in the water. They will make the water juice with this gum, and it is very good as a cool juice in summer season. Also, it is having antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and of course, it is also antioxidant. And some 2-3 more important properties are there. Recently, some papers are published that this gum is anti-cancerous, and it will not allow the cancer cells to multiply. It can check the multiplication of cancer cells. And one more very important use is there. It provides lot of energy, so it is very much beneficial to feeding mothers. Newly delivered mothers, they are taking it, and it helps to enhance the lactation of the milk. So it is very, very important for feeding mothers, and also it is used for those women who are having a small size breast. So once they are using it regularly, just they can mix it in milk or in water in any form. These flakes of the flat flakes of this gum, so it can drastically enhance the size of the breast. So that is also one of the use in lot of herbal formulation and preparation in Middle East and India. And also the male men, they are using it to improve their libido, means those who are weak in sexual activities, and those whose sperm count is less, it is widely used for that purpose. So overall we can say that this gum Goan Cataria is very, very medicinal and very important, and it has lot of pharmaceutical importance and lot of different health conditions, and also it is very much helpful as a laxative. So overall it has lot of importance throughout the Middle East and in Asian countries. So I have given point wise the most important medicinal uses of this gum. The health benefits of gum tragacanth, and this gum in Indian language is called Goan Cataria. The botanical name is Astragalus gumita, and it belongs to Leguminosae family. Number 1, it is mostly found in Middle East, Iraq, Iran, and in some part of India. It is thorny shrub. Gum occurs in ribbon or flat form shaped like flakes, and it is 3 to 4 centimeter long. When added to water, it forms the colloidal hydrosol solution and is formed, and it swell to gel-like. And all the gums, they have this property to form the colloidal solution, and I have already told you this colloidal solution plays very important role, and the formation of colloidal solution or gel is because of the presence of two type of fibers. One is water soluble and other one is water insoluble fibers. And these fibers, they are sometimes magnesium, calcium, potassium salts are different type of monosaccharides, and these monosaccharides can be rhamnose, galactose, glucose, xylose. So all these are combined. And number 2, gum tragacanth contains about 70% water insoluble fiber, and that water insoluble fiber is called basorine. Basorine is insoluble fiber portion of this gum, and that is 70%. The water soluble portion, the water insoluble portion, make it water insoluble portion. Water insoluble portion containing methoxy groups, and I have already told you that this solubility of all these monosaccharides or polysaccharides are drastically reduced, and they become insoluble once the hydroxy group is changed into methoxy group. And all the methylated compounds, methoxy groups, they are insoluble in water. So the water insoluble portion containing methoxy groups and responsible for the swelling and gel formation in the water. So that water insoluble portion, which is methoxy group, actually in this case, basorine is the methoxy group of that O, that is O3 position, and that is in the form of methoxy in glucose, and that's why it becomes insoluble. And the water soluble portion is called tragacanthine, and this tragacanthine is about 30%. It contains tragacanthic acid. Actually, tragacanthic acid is nothing but some of the portion is changed into acidic group of the same sugar molecules, and that is called tragacanthic acid. Because of swelling property, it is used as bulk laxative. All these gums, they have the swelling property, they can form the gel, and that's why they are purgative, and that is called laxative property. And swelling of gum is 43% in neutral water and 37% in alkaline water and only 13% in acidic medium. So the solubility goes like that. Number 3, it is used as demolition, and demolition means emulsifying agent and suspending agent, binding agent for pellets and tablets. It is also used as emulsifying agent. It has wide application in pharmaceutical, cosmetics, textile industries. It is used as a thickening agent in foods, syrup and dressing, sauces. Number 4, it is great for new mothers. This is very important finding of this gum, that is gum tragacanth. This gum tragacanth is very good for feeding mother. It is great for new mothers who becomes weak after delivery, and it is beneficial for both mother and baby. It is the excellent remedy for the breastfeeding mothers, and it has anti-allergic, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties to cure cough. A recent study shows the application of gum in cancer cell control means it can also stop the multiplication of cancer cells. And this gum is important and excellent food for or drink, we can say, for mother, I mean the newly born, great for new mothers for their baby, and it can enhance the lactation, and that's why it is very very good for lactating mothers. So in Middle East and in India also, it is widely used as a cooling agent to treat the heart stroke. Anybody who is feeling very hot or palpitation and feeling that there is some problem, cardiac problem, immediately people will make the colloidal solution of this gum and it will be given to them to drink. So it is used as a drink to make you feel cool. So number 5 is, it is widely used in treating heart stroke as gum act as cooling agent. During summers, drink is prepared by soaking gum in water. They will add few pieces of this flake of this gum, and it will be soaked in water, and there will be colloidal solution, and of course that colloidal solution is in the form of gel, thick gel, and that they are drinking, and no doubt it is a very good, because it can bind so many toxins and other things in our stomach, and it can give the cooling impact, and also they can feel the fullness. That is what they feel, that it is a cooling effect. And it is the effective treatment for constipation due to its purgative and laxative property, because it is having tendency to form the gel. That's why it is very good laxative. Number 6, it is very effective in increasing the libido. In Middle Eastern countries like in Syria, Iraq, Kuwait, and some other countries, in India also, they are using to increase the libido, means those who are weak in their sexual activities, they will just add few flakes of this gum in the water. It will be thick colloidal solution, and they will drink. And it is very effective. First thing, they will improve their sperm count, and also they will affect their the syndrome of that is called erectile dysfunctioning. So it is very effective in increasing libido and also for treating sexual weakness in men. Its long-term use can cure like erectile dysfunctioning, and also it helps to improve the low sperm count in men. It has anti-aging property. It can delay the development of wrinkles and fine lines. Number 7, the gum tragacan is part of the herbal treatment for women who have the small breast. This is also used very good herbal supplement or treatment in these countries in Middle East and India. For those women whose size of the breast is small and they want to increase it, because I have already told you that this one is very good for lactating mother. Those for newly born mothers, they may feel weak because of delivery, and it is given as a source of energy drink. So it can also increase the breast size as well as lactation. That's why this is very effective remedy to enhance the breast. So the gum tragacan is part of herbal treatment for women who have a small breast and wish to increase in size. It works as effective breast enhancer because it can bind with female sex hormone. Actually, since it can form the gel, so it can bind the female sex hormone that is called progesterone, and after binding there, it it can be uniformly distributed, and that is the property. That's why it is good for enhancing the size of the breast, and combined with the female sex hormone and balance the female sex hormone level. And number 8, it can increase the metabolic rate of the digestive system, and that would help to flush out the waste material of the body, and that's why it is very good to detoxify the body by removing toxins. So it is very good detoxifying agent also. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.